Hello everyone, my name is Ketmanee. My nickname is Pon and my student ID is 641211111047. I'm studying atราชภัฏ University, Faculty of Education in Mathematics. Today, I'm going to teach you about probability. The topic that will be taught today will consist of what is the probability, experiment probability, and probability, along with example for students it understand more. Are you ready to study? You are ready? Let's go to study. Consider this question. 1. Should you take a raincoat to school today? 2. Who will win the test match? 3. Should I buy that new paper? We can see that this thing happened in our daily life. This question has predictable answer. However, you answer there is a chance that you will be right. There is also a risk that you may be wrong. In mathematics, probability is used to describe the likelihood of an event occurring. Next, consider tossing a coin. When a coin is tossed, there are two possible outcomes, that is heads or tail. We will use H symbol for head coin, T for tail coin. The simple space is the correction of a portable result in random experiment, and it also the objects of interest to use. We usually use H to represent the simple space. In the sense of simple space, in any experiment or action, the possible result must be member of the simple space. Even in probability can be defined as a set of outcomes of a random experiment. The sample space indicates all possible outcomes of an experiment. Thus, even in probability can also be described as subsets of the simple space. There are many different types of events in probability. Each type of event has its own individual property. This classification of events in probability helps to simplify mathematical calculation. Any subset of the simple space will form event in probability. The likelihood of occurrence of event in probability can be calculated by dividing the number of favorable outcomes by the total number of outcomes of the experiment. So the simple space is H and T. Experimental probability. Probability can be estimated through experiment. In such case, you can define the probability of a successful outcome as number of successful outcomes plus total number of outcomes. Often used with a coin, a disc, and a card. For example, 1. You throw a coin 30 times and obtain 16 heads and 14 tails. The experimental probability of getting a head. Solution. Have students consider from question. So that probability of getting a head is number of heads plus number of tails equals 16/30. We can translate it down to the function in lower term. And so the answer to this example equals x15. Probability of an event happening is number of successful outcomes plus number of possible outcomes. Here is an example to make it easier for students to understand. Let's just observe from the red ball and the blue ball inside the bag. There are 12 balls in the bag. So 12 balls in the bag is total number of simple space. For example 2, There are 6 pillows in a bed. 3 are red, 2 are yellow, and 1 is blue. What is the probability of picking a yellow pillow? Solution. Consider from question. There are 6 pillows in a bed, and there are 2 yellow pillows. So that probability of picking a yellow pillow is number of yellow pillow plus total number of pillow equal to 6. Let's go to the next example. For example 3, 50 people were asked their favorite sport. The shoes are shown in the table. Calculate the probability that A person's favorite sport is football. B. A person's favorite sport is not netball. Solution. A. Probability of favorite sport is football. Consider the information in the table. There are 5 people who like football. Total number of people is 50. So probability of favorite sport is football equal 550. We can convert it down to the function in lower term. So the answer to this example is 110. B. Probability of favorite sport is not netball is number of people who like sport other than netball plus total number of people. Consider the information in the table. There are 5 people who like football. There are 17 people who like chicken. There are 8 people who like basketball. This is number of people who like sport other than netball. 17 plus 8 plus 5 equal 30. And total number of people is 50. So the answer to this example is 30 times 50. Let's go to the next example. For example 4, one card is drawn from a well-shuffled deck of 52 cards. Calculate the probability that the card will 4.1 B and H, 4.2 not B and H. Let's start with the first 4.1 B and H. Solution. Will solving insert equally likely outcome. There are 4 H in a deck of cards. There are 4 H in a deck. Let E be the event. The card is an H. The number of outcomes favorable to E is 4. The number of possible outcomes is 52. Therefore, probability of E is 452. We can convert it down to the simplest form. So the answer to this example is 113. Next, 4.2 not B and H. Solution. Let F be the event. Card don't is not an H. The number of outcomes favorable to the event F is 52 minus 4 equal 48. Therefore, probability of F is 4852. So the answer to this example is 1213. Probability means possibility. It is a bunch of mathematics that deal with the concurrence of a random event. The value is expenses from 0 to 1. Probability has been introduced in math to predict how likely events are to happen. The meaning of probability is basically the extent to which something is likely to happen. This is the basic probability theory, which is also used in the probability distribution, where you will learn the possibility of outcome for a random experiment to find the probability of a single event to occur. First, we should know the total number of possible outcomes. I hope that we have watched this video keep will gain more or less knowledge about probability. If there is any mistake that I thought, I apologize here. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.